Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where USB keeps disconnecting and reconnecting on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. First of all, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager tool. Now in the Device Manager tool, you'll have to scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controller, expand it, and here you'll find the option for USB Root Hub. Right click on the first one, select Properties, go to the Power Management tab, uncheck this box, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK, repeat it for each and every one of these. I know it will take time. I apologize for this, but we'll have to do it for each and every one of these. Properties, Power Management, unchecking, right click, properties, power management, unchecking, okay, right click, properties, power management, unchecking, and okay. Now once you do this, reboot your system and the problem will be resolved. But if the problem is not resolved, then you can update these drivers. So return to these drivers, right click on them and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. This should mostly help each and every user, but if it doesn't help, then the next solution will be to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type this command here, the device diagnostic one. I will share it in the description section of this video. Hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next. It will start detecting problems. Let it run completely and it will fix the issue. Lastly, if everything else fails, you can install the USB drivers in compatibility mode. So for this, go to Google. Now you will have to search for it for your brand. For example, my brand is Asus. So I'll search Asus drivers. It may be HP drivers or it may be Dell drivers. Now open this. Now pick up your pod model number. For example, mine is let's say tough, this one, and then I'll select a type. Then I'll say that this is a gaming PC. Okay, it's a laptop. I'll say product series, Asus TUF gaming series, product model number, this one, and now I'll go to the driver and utility section, and then I'll scroll down and I'll pick up which drivers I exactly need. Now I need the USB drivers here, so we don't have the USB drivers for this one, but there must be a general chipset driver. Okay, I'll download this one. Now this file doesn't have to be run directly, though it's an exe file. So right click on it and select properties, show more options, and then properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, run this program in compatibility mode for, choose the latest version, which is Windows 8, click on apply and then on OK, and this will install the latest drivers on your system, though we shouldn't have to go to that stage. I think this unchecking the option for power will solve the problem for most of the users. Now if this video was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel. We really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.